Hello there, and thank you for joining us for this balcony cabin tour on board the Carnival Celebration. This is for cabin 12254, and she thought she was going to get out of helping me, but nope, she was still getting stuck in here doing this tour with me. The balcony cabin on board the Celebration is actually pretty decent sized. And as this is one of the newer Carnival ships, it is actually pretty well equipped. The TV that you have here is a nice big wall-mounted television, and then you also get, on the bedside here, you'll get a little bit of nightstand, but you'll also get a reading light with a USB port on it. It is only one, but I'll take that. It's actually kind of nice to have that, especially since it actually has a USB port and a reading light on both sides of the bed here. And it also has light switches, one for the light above the headboard and another switch for the main room lights. The bed itself was pretty comfortable, and we brought some extra pillows with us on this one so that we didn't have to try and get extra pillows out of Carnival on this, although we didn't try, so we're not sure how that works. The couch is just there hanging out for extra seating and is currently being used for my backpack. This desk space that they have here is actually pretty good size. It holds quite a bit of stuff here. There's extra storage shelves on it, and the mirror is nice and large, lights up, and there are plenty of extra US ports on here. 4 USB and 3 regular US grounded outlets. There is a little storage bin underneath the desk here. If you put stuff in there, please don't forget it. That wouldn't be any kind of fun. Ours was a little bit broken up there, unfortunately, but it did still work and did performance function. There are 3 nice big drawers sitting here that are nice soft closed drawers, and the refrigerator that you get here is actually empty and is open for you to use if you want to throw an ice bucket from your room steward down there to keep the ice from melting quite so quickly. Now, as we head out onto the balcony here, the door was a little bit sticky. Took a little pull here to get it open, but it does work. The balcony is a typical small cruise ship balcony, and the door there was left open to the next balcony beside us, but you can just have your captain steward close that off. But hello there. Alrighty, now as we get the door locked and we head back inside here, we're gonna run into my incredibly beautiful assistant here, who's decided to show me off as well in the mirror there on the closets that they have. The closets are actually really nice. There's plenty of storage in them. They have these nice fold-down shelves. There's lots of hangers. It actually is a pretty well thought-out storage system that they do have here on these balcony cabins. So, the unfortunate side in this cabin is those doors didn't quite line up. I had to kind of force them closed a little bit there, but it was workable. The safe is actually nice and large. There's a lot of these pull-out trays here to put extra stuff that are nice and soft close trays. There's a big shoe storage one down there at the bottom, so you can kind of tuck your shoes underneath there and keep them out of the way. Alrighty, now as I slip past my beautiful assistant here, we're going to go ahead and come back in and do a little tour of the bathroom. Now the bathroom is actually pretty nice. The sinks may be a little bit small, but there's plenty of room in here. A couple of people can kind of squeeze in here if they need to. There's storage shelves. There's a full walk-in shower. The water pressure was a little bit light in the shower there, but there's plenty of little cubbies down here to use. The shelves underneath actually are good to kind of store some extra stuff tucked away. Now you end up with this door that actually opens into the shower that kind of opens in and makes it easy. And then the only downside is they really only do have the shampoo and the shower gel, no conditioner or anything like that. Carnival also doesn't give you any liquid soap or body lotion in the bathroom either. So Now as we leave the bathroom, we'll kind of come over and show you the simple little controls here for the air conditioning, which actually did work very well. There was a key card in there for the main light control, and then they had a couple of light switches here for the rest of the room. And that's it for the balcony cabin tour. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.